I'm going to show you how Spark can rank your dating app photos from best to least, and this is how easy it is. So once you're in our Discord server, you want to do / and type ranker. So that is the prompt for Spark to rank your photos. Then you want to either drag or drop or find a photo. So I've got a selection of photos of myself. Now I'm going to put a really bad, just standard home selfie in there. And then I'm going to enter that and submit that. So it uploads that first photo. And you can upload up to 5 photos, by the way. So I want to upload more. I want to click on that. And then I will do the / ranker prompt again. And then I'm going to upload a second photo. So let's go to a nice one, which has me reading a book to my sausage dog on the grass. I'm going to enter, let that upload. And then we want to upload another one, of course. And so I'll go / ranker again and look for my third photo. So I'm going to throw in the mix of a photo of James Bond. Let's just do that. He clearly is a handsome Asian James Bond. Okay, we'll see how smart Spark is. And then we'll upload one more and it'll be interesting. So I'll put one when I was out on a date in Japan with a really awesome girl, and we'll upload that. Okay. Now, once we've got 4 photos uploaded, we will then submit, and let's see what Spark says. So it's very fast, by the way, on how it reads and understands everything that you've uploaded, reading the photo, reading what's happening. The response will be quite interesting. Okay, so let's just see what Spark says. Okay, photo ranking results. General feedback. Overall, your profile pictures show good variety and personality, which is great. Try to avoid including any photos that do not feature you or are not directly relevant to showcasing who you are. Selfies generally aren't the best choice as they can feel too staged and solitary, which absolutely is true. Group photos can cause confusion about who you are, so it's best to limit these or ensure they clearly identify you. The image quality is mostly good, but ensure all photos are well lit and sharp. Okay, recommendations for your dating app profile. I recommend the following order for your images. Number 1, the first image, the picture of you reading with your dog on the park. This shows you are in a relaxed, candid setting, and the dog adds an element of friendliness and approachability. Fantastic. That'll be my first photo that I'll put up. Number 2, the picture of you sitting and dining with a woman. This shows you in a social setting and conveys that you enjoy good company. Sure, why not? Number 3, not recommended. The selfie, as it doesn't convey much about your personality or interest, which is true because it was just behind a blank wall in my bathroom. Number 4, it does not recommend the image of a man in a suit. This does not appear to be you, so it should not be included in your dating profile. That's pretty smart. I thought me and Daniel Craig looked alike. Photo ideas. A great idea for a new photo would be to capture you engaged in a hobby or activity you love. For example, a candid photo of you hiking, attending a cultural event, or participating in a community activity, etc. So that's how you utilize Spark to help you rank your dating app photos from best to least. And I hope this helps. Definitely check out Spark and try it yourself.